Hello and welcome to another demo from your friends here at Professional Data Management. In this tutorial, we're going to create a basic class using test-driven development. Now, in one of our previous videos, we downloaded Eclipse, which is actually a prerequisite for this demo. So if you haven't done that already, you can click on the link in the description for those installation details. So let's go ahead and open Eclipse and choose your workspace. Let's close this welcome window, and then we're going to choose File, New, Java Project. In our new Java project, we're going to call it Echo App, and click Finish to accept the defaults. In the Package Explorer, expand the Echo App that we just created. Right-click on the source folder and choose New Class from the drop-down menu. Our class is going to be called Test Echo, so go ahead and type that into the name column and click Finish to accept the defaults. In our Test Echo class, we're going to create our new test method using the test annotation @test, and then we can go ahead and start our function with public void echo test. So public void echo test is going to be the name of our test. Now, echo method expects a string value to be passed to it, so we're going to store that string value in a variable called expected. So let's go ahead and set the value of this variable to a string called expected. We're going to set that string equal to hello world, because you can never have a programming demo without at least one hello world, right? We are also going to have another string variable called actual, and we're going to set that to what happens when we execute the echo class's echo method and pass our expected string. Then we're going to use the results of that to call assert equals to make sure that our expected value matches our actual value, thus expected actual. So as soon as we get done writing these little lines of code, we immediately have three issues that need to be resolved. We know this because we can see the red squigglies, the dreaded red squigglies, oh no! But we can see that under our expressions. The first issue can be seen right here under assert equals. Now if we hover the mouse over, it says, do you want to create a method called assert equals? Well, that's because we have not yet imported the JUnit libraries. Notice right up here, we have red squigglies under test. So let's hover over that and add the JUnit 4 libraries to the build path. That will make the red squigglies go away from the test annotation, but we still have red squigglies underneath some of our other expressions down here. So here, we're going to hover our mouse over assert equals and choose add static import for org junit.assert.star so we get all of the assertions. Now, incidentally, we could do a direct import of assert equals, but then later on, if we wanted to do an assert true, that wouldn't exist and we would have to do an import again anyway. So we're going to insert everything with assert.star. Another issue we have is that we don't have a class called Echo, but luckily, when we hover over it, we are presented with 9 quick resolutions, one of which is create class Echo. So let's go ahead and do that by clicking on the menu option, accept the defaults, and click Finish. Now we have an empty Echo class with nothing in it. We go back to our Test Echo Java tab, and lo and behold, the red squiggly is gone from Echo. Unfortunately, now it's moved over to the Echo method. So let's hover over that, and it asks us if we want to create method Echo, the accepted string in the class or the type Echo. Well, yes, we do. So let's do that. Now we have a public static string method called Echo that accepts a string called expected. And right now, it returns null. Now, all of our red squigglies are gone, so we are ready to run our project as a test. right-click on the test annotation, select Run As 1J Unit Test. Eclipse is going to prompt you to save your test echo and your new echo class. Click OK to save the files. Uh-oh, it looks like your test has failed. But no worries. It's okay. Click the Echo Java tab. Notice that the default method template has set the return value to null. Let's go ahead and change null to expected. Click the test echo.java tab to return to your test class. Right-click on the test annotation, select Run As 1J Unit Test. A dialog box is going to appear. It's going to ask you if you want to save your resources. Select OK. And look at that. Your test will now run and pass with 0 errors and 0 failures. Woo! It's official. You are awesome.
Okay, so in summary, what we just did was create a JUnit test in Eclipse to verify that our expected value of hello world passed with no errors. This is just an example of a simple framework that can be automated for both unit and UI testing that helps us define the flow of code execution with different annotations. In test-driven development, these tests catch bugs much better than the eyes of programmers, and the end result is an increase in productivity and code stability. So remember, boys and girls, writing and running unit tests with JUnit and Eclipse is quick, easy, productive, and highly recommended for successful TDD. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. We'll see you next time here at Professional Data Management with another tutorial to keep you sharp. Cheers!